Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's Truckers Only video. Have a nice day.
Go! You fool!
What the hell are you doing? Why are we holding up? What are we doing? Green arrow, dude! Green arrow! What the f are you doing? Oh yeah, there's no... What the f are you kidding me? That's totally not true. Like, yeah, there. Better hurry up, dude. Better speed up or back off. I'm not fucking backing off of your ass. What the f are you doing? What are you doing, Covenant? You're not even supposed to be in that lane.
Run out of our truck.
Idiots. Moron. What the hell do you think you're doing, dumbass? I didn't move over for your stupid ass to pass me up. Moved over for the f***ing right shoulder traffic. Alright, this one here is a trucker coming out of the Love's truck stop in Kingman, Arizona. You see, he swung wide. It's nothing really wrong with doing that, but it wasn't necessary. but as you see here, I make the same turn and I stay in my own lane and make this turn safely. Watch the black car that's coming up behind him. Look how close he came to hitting the front of my truck. But the tanker's trying to give me the proper amount of room before he moves over. Don't try to do this, guys. As you see here, a truck tried to move over at the same time that the car decided they were going to try to pass. And especially when they're too close to the tanker, they can't. The tanker driver cannot see that car back there. Pass me up, and then dive in to get off the freeway here. This is one thing that pisses every trucker off, and more than anything else. There's plenty of room behind me. Just stay behind me. You don't need to take that stupid risk of cutting in front of me like that.
72. The mild truck that's hourly, they're 68. But a lot of those guys have got that shit.
Yeah, so you just screwed the tire.
Just blew shit all over you.
Just in time. All you did was scratch it. You didn't it, you just scratched it again.
Alright, yeah.
Just a scratch, you didn't dent it. So if you want to do anything about it, that's fine. But I got to stop just in time before you tear the shit up. You just scratched it.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, so, you know, I let him stop. I let him stop before anything damaged.
Yeah, I'm buying this truck, so I kind of like to not have that. So.
Huh? Yeah, that's it. And luckily I stopped him in time, so it just scratched the paint. Close the door. He's going to move forward.
I was going to hop out.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fucking idiots. What are you doing, dumbass? Stupid ass.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.